You shut it up good, right?
Yeah, like a... He was in there.
Oh,
How
man.
did it get in there? I didn't put the pillowcase in there, I only put the doona in there.
Kind of not your fault, but...
Be blamed for that, I didn't touch the pillowcase.
Well, you shut the machine. Look,
How did a rabbit... We were here the whole time, like how did...
I don't know, maybe when she was paying, just, hey, you're right.
I was just checking that one final time you see that.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you
no,
sure?
she's not.
Sure, yeah.
Because there's no way she could have, do you know what I mean, got into something.
No, I saw you put it back in there.
Then you walked out with it, didn't you?
I just don't know what to do.